Good morning. This is Chris Lopez, and I found a solution to a problem that I was having this morning. We have been asked to record attendance, but I work on a teaching team, and so we share students, and I was struggling with recording attendance by day when some of the applications I'm using do not give you a day that things were completed, and I was getting confused, especially by the third day of the week when students had completed items. So I wanted to more accurately track the data of what students were completing and when they were completing them so that I knew if we were marking attendance that a student had done something. Was it because they did my assignment? Was it because they did an assignment from another teacher? And just having a clearer view of what's going on with students when we're now tracking what they're doing in such a different manner. So I created a Google Sheet, and I'm calling it Attendance and Assignment Completion. I have gone ahead and generated some fake names, some fake teachers, and what I'm having it do, right here it's tracking days of the week, but what I started with was tracking the different assignments. So for reading, here's the 5 things that they have for the week. For their learning path for Edmentum, there's for each day of this week. There's the 4 math assignments, grammar, writing, science, and a Zoom. And all of these here I coded, so this entire section here is all coded, and if you go into format, they're conditionally formatted so that if they're empty, it's yellow. If it's a Monday, it would be this color blue because it contains an M. If it's just a T, this teal color for Tuesday, Wednesday looks green, Thursday is a light purple, and Friday is a darker purple. So when this text is added, it then automatically changes what color it is. And so you can get a visual on when are the students doing the most work. But the visual of when students were completing work wasn't enough for me. I needed it to go a step further. I wanted the sheet to tell me, okay, how many assignments have they done on each day so that I know when they're doing their work. So in addition to this conditional formatting, I then set up formulas for the days of the week. So for Tuesday, if you go in here, I use the count if formula. So =, count if, and I pulled it through the function. So I went into the function, I went to all, and I scrolled down until I got to the count if. So the count if, it then, what it does is it pulls a range. And so this is pulling, and if I go up here, it is pulling this entire range for the week. And then it's only looking to see if it has a T for Tuesday. And that does have to be in quotation marks. So to look at everything for Tuesday, it's the =, count if, and then in parentheses, it's the range, comma, and then the data that it's looking for. So then if I go to Wednesday, it's the same thing. Count if, the range, and then it's looking for W's. Thursdays is looking for TH, and it does tell the difference between that T for Tuesday and the TH for Thursday. And those are separate. It does not get confused, even though they both have one letter in common. And then the Friday would be an F. And so then to set up Monday, I would need to set up another one, have it pull from the same range and pull from M. And then there it is. It's right there for me. And I can take this and just know, did someone work on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday for the attendance that they're looking for whole school. So if you need to know what day students are working on, for me, this helps simplify what was going on. And then at the end of this week, all I need to do is go down here, duplicate my entire slide, and then I have a copy of it, and I can just change the title here and make that then from the 20th to the 24th. All of my students are copied. All of this information is copied. The conditional formatting all stays the same. And I'll be able to just take out that they did any work. It brings everything back down to 0. for this week, then I would just insert one to the left. Ooh, and my cap lock on. Make it a Monday. And go ahead and put that formula in. So I'm going to go to all. It's a count if statement. And I want to pull this whole range. And I want them to be M's. It looks like I have a space there, and I don't know if that would affect the formula. So I'll take it out and then copy that down through all of my students. And then if they start doing work, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it will automatically count, and I can just keep on making copies for each week and just adjust my titles over here.